I'm at 4K at 30 frames per second, I believe, with the iPhone. I'm not comfortable at all doing this, and I just spent a half an hour of filming, and I wasn't even recording with Movie Pro. I was talking about how I'd taken my iPhone 10, my AirPods with me, and talking about GoPro Hero 10. And what we were talking about was I would need a new computer that will cost over $2,000, an Apple, and software to use. A lot of my video shows gray, and that's what's going to happen in time to come, because fall is the season of color. Wouldn't you want to get a GoPro Hero 10 right now to show those autumn foliage colors coming up? I made two videos, 4K 120, and I know that's not going to correctly load to YouTube. And that's a good reason why I may not want a GoPro. Another reason, or the reason I said just prior, my editor, Cyberlink PowerDirector 19, can't do 8K correctly. But Magic's Movie Edit Pro 2021 can. So there's a good thing about Magic's and a bad thing about Cyberlink. Think about your issues. Does your computer do excellent editing? Is it new? Is it old? Do you got the correct SD cards? Do you got the correct editors? Can you deal with the GoPro high bit rate? Those are the things I think about if I want to get a new GoPro. $500 plus tax, another $80 for the media module. That would be what I would have to get. Or go to GoPro and save $100, and basically you're just getting a free media module for the $500 and a subscription if they cover 50% for the media module. You think about how you're going to buy your GoPro. You want it now or you want it later with other things to come? Remember, the latest firmware doesn't do a couple of things. Wake up voice command, as well as the lens mod, the max mod. So keep in mind, new firmware will come out to correct some issues or add some features. Right now, I'll wait and see. I hope I did not disappoint anybody. I hope you can understand my thoughts out loud to all and what I've been thinking of, and the new parts indeed. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much. I'm filming this all on the iPhone 10 in portrait mode with the AirPods. Ain't the best thing to do. It's hard to hold and hard to do. Would a gimbal be helpful? The OM5? I don't think so. I like my action cameras, and I like to use them as is. So on that note, I appreciate you stopping by, and maybe when the Osmo Action 2 comes out with a lot less horsepower, what I may want more in a budget action camera. Have a great day, everybody.